Some students have reported problems when trying to run the MD5 Deep, the 64-bit program. So let me show you some problems here. First of all, just to verify the system that you have, you click on the Start button and come to your computer and right-click, go to Properties, and verify that you're running Windows 7 and that you are running a 64-bit operating system. And as you can see here, I am. So what I did was to download the MD5 Deep program from the web. Then I unzipped it. So here's the extracted folder, and it's a couple of levels deep. So I come down here, and let's say I want to run the SHA-256 Deep 64-bit, and so I double click it to run it and then tell it to run, and I get up a command window here, but there's nothing that's running. Sometimes when you see these kinds of windows, you don't really know if there's some text there that you can't see. Maybe it's black text with black background. You can always right click on these and come to Properties, and then see here for the screen background, we could just change that to white, and you come in here and see that no, it's just not showing up. Well, this is not a killer for the project, because here's what you can do. You see, I have this installed here in the downloads folder, but I've also copied that same folder. Come here to my C drive. I've copied that same folder right here. This is on the level C of my computer, and here you can see all of those programs. So what I'm going to do in order to make this work, I'm going to click on the Windows button and type CMD to call up my command window. And then here I'm going to run, let's see here, we'll just go, it doesn't matter, any of these will work. We'll just take the MD5 Deep. Now first of all, I have to get from where I am, and when I call this up, it gives me my C drive users Jimmy. And what I want to do is to go back to my C drive, so I'm going to go change directory to C:// and I'm at my C root now, and I can just type dir to show me the directory, and you can see here that I have the MD5 Deep folder. So it is a directory, MD5 Deep. It's showing, so I can just type change directory, cd MD5 Deep, and that shows me now that I am at the level of C MD5 Deep. Now type dir to show me the contents of that folder, and here you can see all of the programs that are in that folder. And if you compare all of these with the ones that show up here in the GUI interface, you'll see that they're all the same. So what I want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and run one of these 64-bit. I'll just do the SHA, and all I have to do is type in the name of it. Since I'm already in this folder, then the only thing I need to type at this level is the actual command that's in that folder. So I'm going to go SHA-256 Deep .ex. I don't even have to type .exe, since it's the name of the file. It will run automatically. In this folder, there's already a text file that's called file format.txt. I'm just going to go file format.txt, enter, and there you go. It runs just fine. So, oh, I notice here when I get my output that I ran the 32-bit program instead of the 64. We'll just fix that. I'm going to hit the up arrow to call up the last command that I gave it. We'll come back over here with the arrows and go 64, since that's the actual name of the program, SHA-256 Deep 64. I'll hit enter, and there you go. There's the hash right there. So if you have the problem where you can't, if you come up with a blank command window, then all you have to do, again, just go to your Windows, type CMD, call it up. There's you a command line window, and just type in the commands that you need to in order to get it to work for you.